video, I'll be talking about how to actually make passive income. Now, I'll not just be doing that alone in this video. I'll be explaining what passive income is all about, what it actually means. I'll be talking about why it is important to start building passive income very early. And also, I'll be talking about the different ways you can make passive income for yourself. So if you have been looking for different ways to make money passively without actively working, then you need to watch this video to the end, and please pay close attention to every single thing I'll be saying in this video. Before I continue with this video, if you are new to our YouTube channel, welcome to Personal Finance Circle, where we teach you how to make money, multiply your money, and manage your money the right way. So if you love videos that will teach you these things, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and please like this video. And don't forget to click on that notification bell so that you never miss an update from this YouTube channel. Thank you. Now let's get into the video. Passive income is simply money that keeps coming in, or maybe money that you make even when you are not actively working for it, or maybe when you are sleeping, or maybe when you are not even available but you keep making money. So it's like you setting up like a system that pays you long after you've done the work once or just a few times. So you can think about this like let's say a YouTuber who keeps making money from old videos. That is, you make your videos, put them on YouTube, and you know you've done them just once, and then whenever people watch those videos, you make like a small amount of money. Or you think about it like a landlord who receives rent every month. So you see that landlord has built that house just once, and the house or the property makes money for him or her every month. So that's basically how passive income works. Now, these are just few examples. There are still numerous examples and numerous ways for you to make passive income, which we will still discuss as we go on in this video. So from those examples I've given you right now, what passive income is all about, or what it means, is that you will definitely need to do the work upfront and then you get rewarded continuously later. And then the opposite of passive income is what is called active income, which is what most people have these days. Now, this is the type of income where you have to work to get paid. So if you stop working, the money or the income stops. I hope you get the difference now. But for passive income, on the other hand, it keeps making money for you, whether you are working, traveling, or even sleeping. And the real magic behind it is leverage. So you are leveraging time, you are leveraging your money or even technology to create something that makes money on its own for you. I hope you get this now. Starting early is the best financial decision you can ever make in your life. Now, you see, the earlier you start something, the more time your money and effort will have to grow and make more money for you. Now, let me break this down into 3 big reasons why it is very important to start building passive income very early. Now, the first reason is that you will build wealth sooner. Now, you see, when you start early, you are giving compound growth the time to work is magic for you. You see, whether you're investing in stocks, or maybe you're investing in real estate, or maybe you're even investing in your own online business, small consistent actions can turn into something massive if you start very early. And it's not about making millions immediately. No, that's not how passive income works. You start making a little, and then gradually, as you're consistent with it, you start making more money from it. So it's about setting up income streams that will grow steadily over time. Now, the second reason why it is important to start building passive income very early is that you will have greater financial stability. Now, you see, let's face it, you see, all of these jobs out there right now, they are not guaranteed. Now, I'm not saying you shouldn't do 9 to 5. Please, I'm not against 9 to 5 at all. But I'm just telling you that jobs aren't guaranteed. And that's the bitter truth. Now, you see, companies can change, industries can collapse, and life happens. But when you have multiple income sources, especially passive income ones, you have a financial backup. So if one income source is slowing down, then the other ones can keep you afloat, help you understand. So that kind of peace of mind, it is very priceless. Now, the third reason why you should build passive income very early is that you will actually move closer to financial freedom. Passive income is one of the fastest ways to achieve financial independence and financial freedom. Imagine having your basic needs covered every month without needing to actively work for them. So that means that you get to choose how to spend your time, not because you have to work, but because you just feel like working. I hope you get it. And here is the thing, financial freedom doesn't mean being rich or having so much money. No, it means having control over your time and your choices. So starting early gives you a head start on that lifestyle. I hope you get it now. So those are the 3 main reasons why you should start building passive income very early. Now, there are tons of ways you can make passive income for yourself, and it's actually simple to understand, but I'll focus on two main categories. So the two main categories are investing your money and building online income streams. So the first way, which is through investing your money, is for those that already have some money, and maybe you are looking for how to use that money to make more money for you or to build maybe passive income streams. While the second category, which is building online income streams, is for those of you maybe that you don't have enough money right now, but you're looking to build online businesses that can actually make passive income for you. I hope you understand. So please make sure you are paying attention. Now let's start with investing your money. Now, you see, investing is one of the most reliable ways to earn passive income out there. And what it means is that it's about you putting your money to work so that it makes more money for you. That's what investing actually means. So it means that you must have made money from somewhere else, or maybe you're currently making money from one source of income. Then you bring that money into a sort of investment, and then that investment makes more money or grow that money for you. I hope you understand. So here are the different ways you can actually make passive income through investment. Now, the first one will be through dividend stocks. Now, in case you don't know, we have two main types of stocks. We have the growth stocks, and then we have the dividend stocks. Now, if you are investing in growth stocks, the value of your investment goes up as the price of the stock goes up. But when you invest in dividend stocks, the value of your stocks will also go up when the price of that stock goes up, but you also make additional money through what is called dividend. So how this works is that, let's say you invest in a dividend stock. Now, after a period, let's say a year or maybe after 3 months or 6 months, it depends. There's no static period to that. Now, if the company makes profit, now they share a part of that profit to their holders. So like I said, it could be every 3 months, every 6 months, or even once in a year. So that's basically what it means. And this is actually a very good way to make passive income for yourself. So all you just have to do is to invest in dividend companies that are actually good and are doing very well, so that when they make profit, you get to take part of that profit that they've made in that company. I hope you understand. Now, some examples of US stocks that pay dividends, you have Coca-Cola, you have Apple, and so on. And for Nigerian stocks, you have Dangote Cement, you have Access Bank, Zenith Bank, and so on. Now, I don't want to make this video too long, but please, if you want me to give you a list of US stocks or Nigerian stocks that pay dividends, let me know in the comment section below. Is it that I make a video on that, or I create a list of those dividend stocks and then I'll use it to reply your comment below. So again, drop a comment if you want the list of the top dividend stocks to invest in. Again, I will either make a video or make a list and use them to reply your comments. I hope you understand. Now, before I go to the second way to grow your money through investment, if you haven't liked this video, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you. Now, the second way you can grow your money through investment is through real estate investment. Now, you see, this one is a very classic way to build passive income. You can actually rent out maybe a house, apartment, or a commercial space, and you earn steady monthly income from it. Obviously, for you to do this, you need enough capital. But even if you don't have huge capital, you can actually invest with REIT, which means real estate investment trust, or even fractional real estate. And there are different platforms out there that can allow you to invest in real estate with little amount of money, even with as low as $10. And if you're a Nigerian, you can check out the Cable app. I have videos on how you can invest in real estate with as low as $10 on the Cable app. The link to that video will be in the description below. So make sure you check it out. And with this way of making money, you're actually making money from real estate without the stress of being a landlord. I hope you understand. Now, the third way to make passive income through investment is through high yield savings account. Now, you see, this one is simple, but it is also effective for you. Now, you see, a high yield savings account is a type of account that offers you higher interest rate than your regular savings account in the bank. So what it means is that your money sits in that savings account safely and is actually making more money for you quietly. Now, this one will not make you so rich or make you so much money, but it is actually a smart place to secure your emergency fund while also using it to make more money for yourself. I hope you understand. Now, the fourth way you can make passive income through investment is through crypto investment. Now, you see, if you understand crypto, you can actually explore passive options like staking or even yield farming. Now, these are the kind of ways where you can earn rewards by locking your crypto assets or by providing liquidity. And I have different videos on how to do this on Bitget and on Bybit. So if you want to see those videos, or maybe you have some crypto and you want to use them to make passive income for yourself, check out those videos. I'll put the links to those videos in the description below. But please, when it comes to crypto, always do your research because crypto is very volatile and highly risky. So treat it as a smaller part of your investment portfolio and not your main strategy, please. Now, you see all of this investment I've talked about and even more are what will be available to you on the Grownee app. In case you don't know and you're wondering what this is all about, now my team and I are currently building an all-in-one personal finance app that allows you to save money, invest money, and manage your money the right way. And guess what? On this app, you'll be able to create a budget for yourself and track how you are making your money and how you are spending your money every month. So in case you are serious about growing your personal finance in 2026, please check the description of this video for the link to join the waitlist, or click the link in the pinned comment of this video to join the waitlist so that I can be able to know when the app is out there. And we're actually launching the app one feature at a time. So if you are serious about joining us from day zero, make sure you go ahead and join the waitlist right now. Now let's get back into the video. You see, this second way is basically all about creating systems online that will bring you consistent income. And you see, the internet is full of different opportunities, so many opportunities, but you just need to pick one of them and start. Now, the first one I'm going to talk about is creating and selling digital products. Now, you see, digital products like ebooks, templates, online courses, and all of those other digital products out there, they can actually take time to build, but you can sell them for years. Now, you see, once you create a digital product and you upload them wherever, you can actually use them to generate income for yourself automatically. Now, what you just need to do is to pick something you are good at or something you know people struggle with and package it into a digital product, maybe an ebook or a video course or a template or whatever. And in case you need ideas on digital products you need to sell online, we also have a video on the 13 digital products you can sell online to make money for yourself. So if you're interested in that video, the link to that video will be in the description below. Now, the second one is through affiliate marketing. Now, you see, affiliate marketing simply means promoting other people's products and then earning a commission when someone buys through your link. And you can do this simply through YouTube, blogs, or even different social media platforms. And this one is actually beginner friendly because this was the first way I started making money on the internet. And for this one too, you don't need to create any form of product by yourself. All you just need to do is to help connect buyers and sellers, and then you earn your own share. That is all. So for example, you can get like a website that has a referral program, and then they will pay you an amount of money for every person you refer to that website. Then you actually go ahead and make a YouTube video, or maybe you write a blog about it on your website and post it. And when people watch that video, or maybe they read that blog post on your website and they use your link, you make money. It's as simple as that. Now, another example is you join Amazon affiliate program. So for this one, you can maybe buy a product, review it, or maybe use it and see if it's good. And if it's good, you can actually refer it to people. And when people use your own referral link, you get a commission when they use your link to buy that product. And that is it. Now, the third way to build an online income stream is through automated online business. Now, what this means is that you can build systems that run on their own. So for example, you can build dropshipping stores, you can build automated YouTube channels, or you can build maybe subscription-based services that won't require you to be working all the time. Now, the goal of this is to create a business model that doesn't rely on your daily involvement. And once you set it up and it is automated, it keeps generating income for you. So that's it for this video. If you learned something valuable from this video, please let me know in the comment section below. And please don't forget to join Grownee's waitlist. Again, the link to join the waitlist will be in the comment section below, or you check the description of this video. Thank you. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like this video. And again, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Help us reach 10,000 subscribers on this channel. And before you go, tell me in the comment section, which passive income idea are you starting with in 2026? I'll see you in the next one. Bye.